Hey, what's really good, people? How you doing? Welcome back. So it's back at it. I have this 2019 Volkswagen. You see the vibes, Jetta, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. This is it. All right. A lot of people show you how to do it though, but they don't tell you step by step. I'm here to tell you how to do it step by step. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do that. Okay. Get your membership too. All right. So we're gonna shut it down. Shut down like that. Okay, I'm gonna open the door, close it. All right. Okay. Now we press this start button once. You wanna see all the lights? You hear the beep? Wait until it's gone. Okay. Now with this guy right here, this one right here, the arrow, right arrow, click it until you go right there. Okay, to the gas mileage, the range, whatever. Okay, now you're gonna press this guy, the OK, for 15 seconds and let it go. Look, I'm gonna press it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let it go. You're gonna see that. Okay, now there, you scroll down with this. Reset oil change, click OK. Click OK again. Alright, that's how you reset the oil life or the interval service. And you can do the same with the inspection, reset trip, engine code, time, tire pressure, and all that. Alright, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. It's me, Axtuo, Purun. You know where to find me. I gotta clock out. See you in the next one. Yeah.